Hello guys, here's how to make collard greens and beef combined. You'll start by searing your pieces of meat on both sides. Before you sear the meat, season it with salt and black pepper. Go ahead and sear the meat on a little bit of cooking oil, and when it's browned on one side, flip the meat over and sear on the second side as well. When it's done on the second side, just stir it a little bit, and then we will start adding the other ingredients, starting with red onions. Add the onions and saute them in that oil for maybe 30 seconds or so, and then add your garlic. Cook the garlic as well for another 30 seconds, and then go ahead and add your seasonings. I have mine listed in the description section, but feel free to add the seasonings of your preference. Now add your tomatoes. I like to grate my tomatoes just so they incorporate better, but you can just dice your tomatoes. Mix those in and cover and let the meat simmer for a moment, maybe for a minute or two, and then you're going to add either water or beef broth. I'm adding some beef broth here. Add as much as you like based on the toughness of your meat, and then mix those, just stir and cover and let it simmer until the meat is tender. Now let's chop up the collard greens. I'm using one bunch of collard greens here. Just wash them clean, shake off the water, and then chop your collard greens as thinly as so. You could also, like cut them more, and you can cut it in whatever style you prefer, like bigger pieces or smaller pieces. And now the meat is well done, so we will add in the collard greens, and then you're going to just stir those in until they are wilted. It's not going to be too long of cooking. Just use a sturdy spatula and continue like pressing the kale down, the collard greens down until they are wilted like so, and they will mix well with the meat. At this point, I'm going to add some red peppers for just, for garnishing. Mix those in and you are all set. It's as simple as that. And this is a very popular dish in Kenya. And we eat it with ugali or white rice. Now, before you go, please do check out my books as well. And you might find something that you like and you'll grab a copy. Thank you very much. And that's the end of this video. Thank you and see you in another video.